In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix billing unavailable on Google Play. If Google Play is showing a billing unavailable error, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary app issue, an outdated payment connection, mismatched billing information, or a problem with carrier billing. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes in a simple and practical way. First, clear the cache for both the Google Play Store and Google Services framework. This is important because cached data can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, which may prevent billing services from working properly. Go into your phone settings, open apps, find Google Play Store, then storage, and clear the cache. After that, do the same for Google Services Framework. This refreshes the background data that Google Play uses to process payments and often resolves the issue right away. Next, check your payment methods. If your card appears grayed out or marked as unavailable, the connection between Google Play and that payment method may need to be reset. Remove the card that is having the problem, then log out of your Google account and log back in. Once you're signed back in, add the card details again carefully. Re-adding the payment method helps Google establish a fresh link, and in many cases, that clears the billing unavailable message. After that, verify your address and billing information. Google Play may block transactions if the billing address or zip or postal code on your card does not match the location tied to your Google account. Open your payment settings and review everything closely. Make sure the address, region, and postal code are accurate and consistent with what your bank has on file. Even a small mismatch can stop a payment from going through, so it's worth double checking each detail. Finally, if you're trying to use carrier billing, the issue may be with your mobile provider rather than Google Play itself. Some carriers disable direct carrier billing, and in other cases, an unpaid balance or account restriction can make the option unavailable. Check with your provider to confirm that carrier billing is enabled on your line and that there are no outstanding account issues blocking purchases. Those are the main ways to fix billing unavailable on Google Play. In most cases, one of these solutions will get things working again. Take your time with each fix and make sure your account and payment details are fully up to date.